Hello everyone, this is me, Teacher Alexis, and welcome to Mathematics class. For today's lesson, we are going to have volume of cones and spheres. To begin with, let us have the parts of a cone. So we have vertex, height, center, and radius. Okay, so when we say cone, it has a circular base and a vertex that is not in the same plane as the base. The radius of the base is the radius of the cone. The height is the perpendicular distance between the vertex and the base. The volume of a cone is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder with the same base and height. It is calculated using the formula V is equal to the quantity 1/3 pi r squared h, where r is the radius and h is the height. On the other hand, we have parts of a sphere. We have radius and center. When we say sphere, it is the set of all points in space equidistant from a given point called center. The radius is a segment is a segment from the center to a point in the sphere. The volume of a sphere is calculated using the formula V is equal to the quantity 4/3 pi r cubed, where r is the radius. Let us take a look at this figure. This is a cone. Let us try to get the volume of this cone. So first, let's have the given. As you can see, letter R, or the radius of the cone, is 5 centimeters, and the height is 9 centimeters. To get the volume of this given cone, we are going to use the formula V is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Since we have the value of r and h, we can now substitute it to the given formula. So by this time, we will be having 1/3 times pi, and then the value of r is 5. So we will be having the quantity 5 squared. And then letter h is 9. All we have to do here first is to simplify the quantity 5 squared. The expanded form of the quantity 5 squared is 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So doon sa wala munang ginawa, we will just copy. So this will be 25 and then 9. As you can see, we can multiply 25 and 9 because it's a sign of multiplication. So let us multiply. 25 times 9 is equal to 225. Okay, so at this part, let us say, i-multiply muna natin yung ating 1/3 and then 225 because sometimes in the given problem, we are getting the volume of three-dimensional object or three-dimensional shape in terms of pi, specifically when we are talking about cone and sphere. So let us multiply 1/3 and 225. 1/3 times 225, the answer is 225/3. And then we will multiply it by pi. Or sometimes, if the question is, find the volume in terms of pi, titigil na tayo dito. The answer will be 225 third or 225/3 pi. Okay, but if there is no instruction that the answer will be in terms of pi, we can simplify this. So 225/3 times pi, which is 3.14, the answer will be 235.5. And then since we are talking about volume, the final answer is V is equal to 235.5 cubic centimeters. Another example, let us try to get the volume of this given sphere. As you can see, this is a sphere with a given radius of 5 centimeters. To get the volume of this given sphere, we are going to use the formula V is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. So isa lang ang kailangan natin, which is the radius, 5 centimeters. First, let us substitute r to the formula. It will be 4/3 pi, and then the value of r is 5, the quantity 5 cubed. Ito muna ang ating isosolve or isi-simplify. The expanded form of the quantity 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 times 5, the answer is 125. Okay, unahin natin yung 4/3 times 125. Okay, para pagka ang tanong is, what is the volume in terms of pi, makukuha kagad natin. So let us multiply 4/3 times 125. That will give us 500/3. And then pi. Kung wala naman sa instruction na in terms of pi ang ating final answer, let us now multiply 500/3 times the value of pi, 3.14. 500/3 times 3.14 is 523.33. And then since we are looking for the volume, the final answer is V is equal to 523.33 cubic centimeters. Okay, so now it is your time to answer this given sphere and cone. All you have to do is to solve it in your scratch paper, and then after solving it in your scratch paper, you may write your answer in the comment section. You will write number 1, what is the volume of this sphere given the radius as 12 centimeters, and number 2, find the volume of this cone given the height is 8 centimeters and the radius is 4 centimeters. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned something on how to get the volume of cones and spheres. Thank you so much and see you on my next video. Goodbye!